Welcome back to Florasway. Today we have Hohem Isteady Pro 3 for review. The Hohem Isteady Pro 3 is an action camera gimbal with a great compatibility of action camera. Isteady Pro 3 is compatible with GoPro Hero 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 and 3, DJI OSMO Action, Insta360 ONE R, Sony RXO, UE Cam, Xiaomi Mija, CG Cam, and other action cameras with similar size and weight. Supported action camera with weight up to 115 grams, height up to 14.8 mm, thickness up to 13.2 mm, fabulous IPX4 water splash proof design and resistant to water splash from any direction. Isteady Pro 3 allows you to take for hiking and travel even in a rainy day. Perfectly solve the weak battery life of action cameras with built-in 3600 mAh battery. Isteady 3 Pro has been up to 12 hours battery life and also can work as power bank to charge your action camera while recording. Nothing will stop you from being creative. No matter for daily vlog or sport movement, even exports, 3-axis gimbal Isteady Pro 3 will guarantee you the smooth footage as always. Special design for GoPro Hero series with built-in Wi-Fi module. Easily control GoPro to take photo or record by turning on the Wi-Fi switch after getting connection. Switching between different working modes by only tapping the mode button. Change the mode you want just in 1 second. Convenient remote control by using Hohem Gimbal app and customize your individual setting for a better filmmaking experience, which makes you pro in your shooting skills and have more fun in producing cinematic videos. Pan motor, tilt motor, roll motors are all available to follow along with axis rotating movement, allowing a real fantastic first-person point of view created as you are involved in the footage. Pan and tilt follow allows the gimbal to move smoothly from side to side and also on the up-down axis gives you more freedom and flexibility to move around the camera. Pan follow allows the gimbal to move smoothly from side to side, but remain steady on the up-down axis. The gimbal will try to keep the horizon at the same level and it's a great helper for beginners. All pan, tilt, roll motors are locked without follow movement by rotating the axis. It is used for follow shots, especially perfect for subject moving down and straight defined path. 600 rotational rotating even more than 360 degrees. Isteady Pro 3 provides you 600 rotational pan axis to satiate all your imagination. Press and hold the trigger button is able to activate the motors instantly with much more power to follow along with rotation. No worry to lose any fast moving subject. Motion time-lapse allows you to set the track with custom rotating angle, record heavy traffic on the streets, and cloud in the sky moving in seconds. Time flies, but memories last forever. The intimate ergonomic handle curve design fits the palm of your hands and is more comfortable to hold. The handle of Isteady Pro 3 designed with one 4-inch screw holds for accessories such as tripod, extension, pole, microphone, flashlight. Overall, the Hohem Isteady Pro 3 is an excellent low-cost action camera gimbal. It has enough features and extra functions to keep talented videographers busy, especially as they get to use the creative option included on the app. It's also very easy to use and comfortable to hold for extended periods thanks to the ergonomic handle and overall lightweight. We'd recommend it so long as your camera fits within its grip, although you should also take care that the battery doesn't disengage when you jostle it after opening the box. While GoPro cameras are the best bet, there are a few other cameras from other brands that can really be worked with the Isteady Pro 3. Thank you for watching. If you liked today's video, hit the subscribe button to see videos like this. Bye!